Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. TVJ Sports has been reliably informed that the Financial Investigation Division, FID, is now armed with a statement from the management team of Jamaican sprint legend Usain Bolt as they investigate the multi-million US dollar fraud at the Hope Road-based Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL.
48 hours after Usain Bolt's management team raised alarm at the Stock and Securities Limited SSL on Wednesday, having picked up on discrepancies in their investment portfolio, they provided a statement to the FID investigators on Friday. According to a source who spoke on condition of not being named, Bolt executive manager Nugent Walker spent several hours providing the FID with a statement as they seek to aid in the recovery of funds from the SSL. Bolt is among close to 40 investors who have been defrauded of millions of US dollars by a former female manager who was fired recently. The investment house confirmed on Thursday that they called in the police following initial internal investigations, which TVJ Sports understands started back in August 2022. A source with knowledge of the SSL's investigations revealed that the accused provided details on how she defrauded dozens of investors starting back from 2012. The source added that the accused admitted in a statement to falsifying email requests for cash from clients by increasing the cash amounts they requested and pocketing the difference. It's further understood that the accused fraudster has provided names of other people who helped her to carry out the fleecing of accounts at the SSL.